Now let's see if we can get this headlight switch fixed and turn on the lights inside the dash. Pitter patter. Take this off. So I got the plunger already out. Let's see what else needs to go. Put in the new one. Got the plunger out. Unscrewed this little thing. Got the new part. Voila. Make sure this will screw right back in. And what do you know? It's a match. And hopefully this will fix the instrument lights. Look what I have to do to the back window after that little kerfunkle. Good enough for who it's for. Oh snap, this is gonna be easier than I thought. It's just a plug, y'all. Usually they say I'm the plug. But apparently these go out all the time. It looks pretty corroded. Oh, you can see that well. Pretty corroded in there. Hence the flickering. It's probably original. To get out the plunger is kind of cool. You just hit this button right here in the back. Bink! Comes right out. Comes right off like a prom date's dress. Don't say that. Never mind. Back pedal. I didn't say that. All right. Plug this up in. Let's try not to break anything. Oh, come on. So, they don't make that glass anymore, if anyone was wondering, that I shattered the other day. It's damn near impossible to find, which is wonderful. So, I'm getting price gouged on the Evil Bay by is in. And that one's in. Right up there. Screw it back in. And that should be it for the headlight. This was a lot easier than I thought it was. My arm doesn't contort that way, sir. There goes the one. Got it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is what I need after that last shenanigans. Something to go my way. Which will be wonderful. Nice bug. Which way is it? Like this? No, I thought it was like this. Let's go turn on the lights or reconnect the battery and see if I did it right or not. I think I have to check this in the dark. I can't tell if the lights are on or not. Maybe turn this light off, that might help. I can't tell. For sure the lights are on. Let's check this in the dark and hopefully it's fixed. We'll come back in a little bit. If you want to see my fix, let me know. I can make them just some cardboard. I can make them for you just because you are nice people to me. Thank you so much. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Yep, just connect the headlight switch and that easy. You just put it right back on. It goes right in and it works perfectly. Brand new headlight switch. Ooh. Now, how did I end up here? That is a good question. I found a trace line broke, so I re-soldered it together right here, right next to this bulb. Burned my hand maybe, I don't know, 34, 35 times. Perfect. That's what I was hoping for. Now, let's see if it works. Stand by. Here we go again. Alright, let's see how much more stuff I can mess up today.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah. folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
So, as you can see, I got the lights all set up. Put some cool lights in it. No, I'm just kidding. So, I patched the circuit. I checked all the fuses. I put in a new ground, but nothing seemed to be working to get the lights. So, like I say in the title, it's not pro, but this will do for now. Put some little LEDs on top, and then I can see when I'm driving at night. Won't be a problem. Didn't find the solution I was looking for, but nonetheless, we got a solution. All right, I'll see you guys next week.